Now, let's talk about Pakistan's fiscal performance, the chapter Fiscal Development. In simple words, how the government managed its income and spending. For the first time in 24 years, Pakistan recorded a fiscal surplus in the first quarter of fiscal year 2025 amounting to rupees 1.896 trillion rupees or 1.7% of GDP. That means the government earned more than it spent, a very rare and positive development. The fiscal deficit, the gap between what the government spends versus earns, has been improving. Fiscal year 2022 down by 3.8% of GDP. Fiscal year 2023 and fiscal year 2024 down by 3.7% of GDP. Fiscal year 2025 till March just down by 2.6% of GDP. This shows better financial management and stronger budget control. The primary balance, which excludes interest payments, is even better. Fiscal year 2022 down by 0.7% deficit. Fiscal year 2023 increased by elevated by 0.6% surplus. Fiscal year 2024 increased by 1.5% surplus. Fiscal year 2025 increased by 3% surplus, the highest ever. This means Pakistan is now covering all its non-interest expenses through its own income. Expenditure versus revenue. Let's compare spending and income. Total expenditure July to March 2025 16.33 trillion rupees up to 19.4% from last year. Current expenditure 14.59 trillion rupees. Development spending PSDP 413.6 billion rupees up to 28.6%. Total revenue July to March 2025 13.37 trillion rupees up to 36.7% from the last year. Tax revenue 9.14 trillion rupees up to 25.8%. Non-tax revenue 4.23 trillion rupees up to a massive 68%. Now let's review FBR provincial performance. FBR tax collection rose by 25.9%, reaching 10.23 trillion rupees by May 2025. Provinces also did well, recording a combined surplus of 1.05 trillion rupees compared to just 435 billion rupees last year. In short, spending is rising, but revenue is growing even faster. The government is finally gaining control over its budget deficit. Strong coordination with provinces and reforms under Finance Act 2024 played a big role. Students' fiscal deficit 2.6% of GDP, primary surplus 3% of GDP, FBR collection 10.23 trillion rupees, non-tax revenue growth 68%. Quote these states with confidence in interviews, current affairs, and essay writing.